stage flat. So he's about to set up camp. He's driven, 600 miles in the middle of fucking nowhere. And he says, all of a sudden this eagle flies over his head in like 4 feet over his head, screaming. The eagle's screaming, he says, and it flies into a bunch of bushes. Now, he's looking east to west. The eagle is coming behind him, so to speak, and the eagle screams 2 feet over his fucking head, screaming at him.
Really?
Lands into a bunch of bushes, hunkers down. So he looks.
Wait, how do you know all this?
He just posted.
Okay, go on.
So he looks where the eagle came from, and he sees this massive windstorm coming at him. It's gonna hit him in like no fucking time flat, right? So he hits the ground. He dive bombs the ground. He grabs his tent. The wind comes in at like 90 miles an hour. And his tent starts blowing away. He starts grabbing all of his shit because I mean, it was just amazing.
You gotta send me the video.
Jim McCoy.
Alright.
I'm gonna send it. Yeah.
That sounds really funny.
And he's like,
well, did you finish the end of it? I want to hear all of it.
So all of a sudden, so he's watching the eagle hide in the bushes.
Okay.
Because the eagle knows this shit's coming down the pike. And he had to jump on his tent because he hadn't staked his tent down yet. He had to jump on his tent to keep it from flying away, and all of his gear. It took him a long time, but you should follow him, be friends with him.
No, I like the story a lot.
How do I
Sheesh.